Hi, in this video we're going to discuss using conversational AI as a virtual call center. So you might want to augment or replace an internal call center with artificial intelligence agents, or you might want to set up or replace an overseas team, for instance, if you may be having issues with time zones or clarity or comprehension. You can use AI to improve the clarity and the quality of the conversations that they're having. Hi, my name's Alan Blackmore. I'm the CEO of the online group. We're a digital agency that builds conversational AI solutions for specifically customer service applications and also marketing automation. So the jobs that businesses need done either at scale or after hours, or jobs that they don't have the people to do, we can build solutions to take that work on. So what we're talking about here is setting up inbound or outbound voice AI agents to handle business communications. So it can be 24/7. You can just run your calls directly to the AI agents, or you could just switch over after hours, whatever your preference is. The beauty of a virtual call center using AI agents is you can infinitely scale. So if you've got massive call volumes, then you don't need hundreds or thousands of people. You can simply duplicate and deploy more AI agents to perform the same task. So what can you use it for? You can do outreach, you can make bookings, you can do lead qualification. If you get a positive response from outreach, you can live transfer to your sales team. You can book appointments in a CRM or a calendar. Pretty much anything you'd like to do, you can do with a virtual AI call center. So you can take the concept as far as you like. So for instance, you could have an inbound operator taking calls. You could have an AI agent that's completely trained in your accounts payable with an API link into your accounts system, so it can answer questions on outstanding invoices and so forth. You could have your inbound operator transferring to a customer service agent. You could go to a technical support agent that knows your products and technical specifications inside out. Same with accounts receivable. You could have a bot trained specifically in that process and have links to live data into your accounting system. You could send potential leads and inquiries through to a lead qualifier, and then that could then pass through to an appointment setter. So you see how this works. You can essentially build a complete team of AI agents to handle all of your business communications, and you can do that at scale. So you can have lots of agents outbound prospecting. So if you've got a list of potential customers, you can use AI to outreach and contact them. You can have a CRM nurture process, so take your existing CRM customers and keep in regular contact with them, make new offers, that sort of thing. And then our good friend, the lead database reactivation. So if you've got leads that you never got hold of or they've gone cold, you can set an AI agent the task of contacting those people and getting them through to an appointment. So there we go. The communications with AI agents, specifically voice, is crystal clear. You can have very decent two-way conversations about pretty much anything, given they're connected to large language models, so they can talk about any subject you like, but obviously we get them trained to keep on the topic that we want them to talk about, namely your business and creating better customer relationships and making some sales. So how do we train conversational AI? The secret to great outcomes is all in the training. So out of the box, conversational AI agents generally have a API link to a large language model of some sort. So ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, name your favorite. And then what we do is take your knowledge base. So we take your, maybe you've got a wiki, or you've got a Gitbook repository, or you've got a website help section, whatever you have, we can feed that into the training model so your AI agent knows the basics. So then if you've got non-public documentation like training materials, PDFs, video training, call recordings that demonstrate a good outcome, then the AI can study and learn that and then replicate that conversation with fresh callers that come in with the same questions. The quality of the outcome is really down to the training and also the outcome prompting. So we tell the AI model what its job is, what the jobs to be done are, and then it will strive to achieve those outcomes. No matter where the conversation goes, it can talk about pretty much anything, but it will always steer the conversation back to the outcome, whether that's booking an appointment, filling in a form, visiting a website, going to a checkout page, whatever it is you need done, we can tell the AI agent what it needs to achieve. So that's really conversational AI training in a nutshell. Give it lots and lots of relevant information, let it learn, tune the responses. So once we launch a project, we will then closely monitor, look at the responses, do some course correction if needed, so that the AI agent is bedded in and operating at peak performance. So the real power behind the conversational AI agents is the ability to integrate with other systems. So you can, for voice AI, for instance, you can integrate with a phone system, so the agents can take calls, then depending on the responses from the caller, they can transfer to different departments. They could take a message, they could book an appointment with a sales agent, for instance. They could transfer to a different conversational AI agent. So you might want to have one fully trained up on accounts receivable with an API hook into your accounting system, so the AI agent can look up and answer accounts queries. So the AI agents can also do live call transfers. So as a caller comes in, says I need to speak to X, then the agent can transfer to that person. Both the text and the voice AI can hook into pretty much any system that has an API access available. So if you have, maybe HubSpot or Salesforce or another CRM, you can send information backwards and forwards. You can query information, bring it back to the conversation that's taking place, or you can push information into your CRM or your calendar. So with the API integrations, we can talk to systems like Zapier, which in turn then talks to thousands of different applications. So we could push information into a spreadsheet, we could switch on an air conditioner, we can do all sorts of different things. It really is, the sky's the limit. So you just need to work out what needs to happen, and we can generally get an AI agent to complete that task. There we go. You can potentially create an entire call center virtually using AI agents for a fraction of the cost of getting humans or offshore call centers involved. If you want to know more, just contact me. There's a link in the description, or hop onto our website and you can book a call with me. There's a big button at the top of the page, and I look forward to talking. Thanks very much.